Hey friends, it's Erica of Eating with Erica. I'm sharing a must-try charcuterie board for Dad for Father's Day and some must-visit European-inspired restaurants in Atlanta. These boards are used for charcuterie platters, cheese platters, and whatever else you would like to serve. I also love how you can use them as staples in your kitchen. I love the details. These boards are eco-friendly and they are handcrafted. These boards are the perfect size. Everyone can nosh on them. What I also like when creating my boards is a variety. I have a variety of prosciutto, grapes, some hummus, pimento cheese, and that way everyone can enjoy some snacks before dinner. I love how large these boards are from ETU Home because you can literally set this out, put 3 or 4 glasses of champagne, your guests can serve themselves, and you can finish getting ready and or freshening up, finishing up in the kitchen. So I'm gonna add some pimento cheese for dipping, which is great. I love pimento cheese being from the South. It's one of my favorite guilty pleasures. It just goes with everything. If you're not interested in recipes and you're more of a restaurant individual, make sure you try out Le Bouquet, located in Buckhead. Their chicken and fries is superb and you're gonna love their patio. Also, located in Buckhead, F&B. They have the best duck and it's ran by a father and daughter duo. And here you guys have it, the finished product. This board was perfect for this Father's Day charcuterie board, but really this board's perfect for any entertaining. Y'all have a happy Father's Day.